British weather, unpredictable, and can involve a lot of rain. When it comes to our walls, moisture can work its way in, and when it can't escape, that's when the real problems start. Cracking, peeling, and mould. And that's where Sandtex Microseal Masonry Paint comes in. It's built around Microseal technology, a smart, breathable barrier that stops rain getting in, while still allowing trapped moisture to escape. So instead of locking damp inside your walls, it helps them dry naturally, reducing the risk of flaking and long-term damage. At the same time, it forms a tough, flexible outer film that moves with your home as temperatures change, helping stop cracks before they even begin. And because it's water-based with a low VOC formulation, it's easier to apply, better to work with, and still delivers maximum coverage with a smooth matte finish. You also get built-in resistance to dirt, mould, and algae, so surfaces stay cleaner for longer. There is a vast array of colours available to choose from, and already mixed, to help take your home exterior to the next level. And it's not just walls either. On rough sawn exterior timber like fencing, it delivers the same breathable finish, helping keep everything looking smart and protected. With up to 15 years of trusted durability, it's designed to go the distance. So, whether it's render, brick, or even your garden fence, Sandtex Microseal has got it covered.